Hello. Now I'm going to show you how to take your rather bland text document that looks really nice and is all formatted, and then how to add some pictures to it. Pictures obviously are going to be something you have to attribute unless they're free pictures that you don't have to. Some of them are provided by Microsoft. Usually if you're using Google, you're going to find that these pictures usually belong to someone. But if you follow what I show you, you can get some free clip art right from Microsoft, and you don't even have to worry about attributing it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cursor and put it where I want to put a picture. And I think I want to put the picture right in between the title and the first verse. So I'm going to position the cursor where I want it to be, and then I'm going to go to the Insert tab at the top of the toolbar. Instead of choosing pictures, which I can use if I already have them on my computer, I'm going to go to Online Pictures, because this is kind of a neat and nifty thing that this has. You can do, obviously, a Bing image search, which will give you the same kind of images that you would get from a Google search. But there's this thing called Office.com clip art. So I'm going to click in there and type flag. I'm hoping there'll be some sort of American flag. I'm going to press return, and now Office clip art is going to return me some flags. And I'm going to choose I'm going to choose this one. It's kind of a neat flag. And I'm going to insert it. And watch out, it's going to be big because it says right here, close up is huge. So insert. And it didn't insert it too bad. I can make it bigger. I can move it around. I can put it where I want to put it. And I can resize simply by clicking on any of the corners. I kind of like the small one. And now I'm going to click up here on the picture itself. And when I do that, I get this really nifty little layout option button. So I'm going to click on that. And at that point, I can then do some interesting text wrapping. I can put it in the middle. I can make it go up and down, top and bottom, square it off, make it what's called tight or through, which would mean it would go right through it, in front of the text or behind the text. If it's behind the text, the text will be on top of it. It might be hard to read. So I'm just going to do this square one, and then it sort of does that. And that kind of is a neat way to insert it, but you can certainly play around with it. And I'm going to click here and say, all right, what about this one? That didn't do much else. Neither did that. That puts it above and below, which is what it was before. This puts it, that's what it looks like if it's behind, which is hard to read. You can put it in front of the text, which means you can't read the text at all. And you can put it in line with the text, which just makes it just, basically, it takes up all the different spaces on the line. Several different presses of the Enter key would do the same thing. I'm going to put it in line with the text, and I would save it. That's probably the easiest way to do it. So that's how you add a picture from Office.com's clip art, and it's something you don't have to attribute because it's totally given to you by Microsoft. Okay, thanks.